Homemade Science Video Festival. For years I've been asking people in all kinds of places to share their favorite experiments with me. I've been asking in museums and science centers, in schools, in universities and outreach departments, and international research institutions. Many of my favorites use inexpensive local materials, which makes them easy to reproduce on the road, at home, even during lockdowns, and in schools without specialized equipment. Now it's your chance to join in the adventure by sharing an experiment of your own. Your experiments can help me increase access to hands-on science, whether it's for fun projects to do over summer vacation, for including practical science through distance education, for overcoming material and budget limitations in schools, or just to make homework a little less boring. We can all use more experiments. Everyone, including teachers, scientists, and kids of all ages, are invited to submit videos until June 30th. I'll publish your experiments here on My Favorite Experiments. The first week of July, I'll be hosting live events via Zoom for people around the world to carry out a selection of your experiments together from the comfort of their own homes or wherever they choose. For more information, including guidelines for videos and registration for Zoom sessions, please see the links in the description below. I'm looking forward to seeing your experiments. Stay curious.